stations.
Enemy cruiser
Reporting the
sighted.
position of a ship. All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
The ship is on fire!
Concentrate fire on the designated target. All stations, requesting fire on the designated target. Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Problem solved,
We've
sir.
sunk an enemy destroyer. Off to a great start.
That's how it's done.